This video will cover how to replace the laser counters in your PurpleAir Zen sensor. First, remove the base from the device. For the indoor base, hold two opposite legs and squeeze them together. Tilt the base and pull it away from the sensor. For the outdoor base, grab the end of the wall mount and pull downward, slightly tilting it. We can now remove the laser counters from the housing. A small plastic clip holds them in place. Hold this clip back while pulling the laser counter straight out. To disconnect the laser counters from the board, carefully grab the end of the cables connected to each laser counter. Ensure that you squeeze the small latch that holds them in place. Then, pull the cables straight out. Be cautious, as these clips are fragile. If it is difficult to reach the cable's ends, slide the laser counters out of position. You can set these laser counters aside. We will now connect the replacement laser counters to your device. Ensure that the laser counters are aligned correctly before connecting the cables. Place them so that the cable ports are on the right-hand side and they are above the housing. Turn the housing so that the ribbon cables come out toward the laser counters. The left cable is channel A, and the right cable is channel B. The channel A cable will plug into the laser counter closest to you. The channel B cable will plug into the laser counter farther away. Once the cables are in place, press on the sides of the clips to push them in. The small latch will secure them. Center the laser counters in the blue connecting piece. Ensure that this piece does not cover the air intakes or outtakes. We will now place the laser counters into the housing. When inserted into the housing, the circular fans will be on the side with the clip. Place the laser counters on top and press the blue connecting piece to slide them in. Press until the clip secures them in place. We can now reconnect the base to the sensor. Match up the slot on the base you are using with the back of the housing, and firmly press to connect the pieces together. You have now completed the laser counter replacement process for the PurpleAir Zen sensor.